This class may be one of the important class related to carbon dioxide gas because we are talking about the chemical properties of carbon dioxide, and we know that chemical property always comes with the chemical reaction. That's why this is one of the important part of the study of carbon dioxide gas. Okay, one by one let's talk about them. Number one, carbon dioxide gas dissolves in water. This carbon dioxide gas actually it dissolves in water to form carbonic acid. This is one of the important chemical property of carbon dioxide, dissolves in water to form carbonic acid, and this carbonic acid is used in soft drinks at high pressure to produce fuzziness and slightly sour taste. This is the use of this carbonic acid in soft drinks. Now, second chemical property we can say like this. It is neither combustible, neither combustible nor supporter of combustion. Supporter of combustion. Neither combustible means what? It is neither combustible means it doesn't burn, and nor the supporter of combustion means what? It doesn't support the burning also. But when burning magnesium, usually we take magnesium ribbon, and this burning magnesium ribbon is when introduced into a gas jar filled with carbon dioxide gas, then what is found? It forms magnesium. It forms magnesium oxide with the black spot of carbon. This appears as white powdery substance, and burning magnesium continuously burns in carbon dioxide even after this is not the supporter of combustion. It supports the combustion of what? Magnesium, because magnesium reacts with carbon dioxide to form white magnesium oxide and black spot of carbon. It can be balanced this way, oxygen 2 and magnesium 2, oxygen 2 magnesium 2. Okay, now let's talk about third one. This is the most important property of carbon dioxide gas, which is used to test the carbon dioxide gas, whether it is carbon dioxide or not can be tested by this property. When CO2 gas is passed into lime water, when carbon dioxide gas is passed into lime water means calcium hydroxide, which is also called slack lime. When carbon dioxide gas is passed into lime water, then what is seen? White insoluble calcium carbonate forms. Look at this. This calcium carbonate is white and it is insoluble also. When carbon dioxide gas is passed into lime water, the lime water turns milky due to the formation of insoluble this white calcium carbonate. And if we pass carbon dioxide continuously into lime water, then what is seen? When this carbon dioxide is passed continuously, then what is seen? Calcium carbonate, which formed in this lime water. Now when carbon dioxide gas is passed into it, there is water also. Then carbon dioxide gas, what it does, this calcium carbonate, which is insoluble, converts to soluble calcium bicarbonate. Calcium bicarbonate is calcium valence 2, that's why I'm writing this. What it means? When CO2 gas is passed for a long time, then insoluble calcium carbonate converts to soluble calcium bicarbonate, due to which the solution again becomes converts to colorless, and this can be written in the form of chemical reaction like this. Now let's talk about another chemical property. There are many, but we are taking few which are very important. All the green plant takes carbon dioxide in the presence of in the process of photosynthesis. All the green plants takes carbon dioxide gas in the process of photosynthesis, and this carbon dioxide reacts with water. This reacts with water. Carbon dioxide gas reacts with water in the leaf in the presence of light, which helps with the help of chlorophyll to manufacture food, that is glucose. Actually, carbon dioxide gas reacts with water in the presence of sunlight with the help of chlorophyll. We have to remember 4 points: carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, chlorophyll. Carbon dioxide actually reacts with water in the presence of sunlight due to chlorophyll, and chlorophyll acts as catalyst, and it forms glucose. Glucose formula is C6H12O6, and there is byproduct. This byproduct is oxygen. Now here carbon is 6, that's why we can take here 6. Hydrogen 12, that's why we can take 6 2 are 12. Now the oxygen also 6 2 are 12, 6 plus 6. This is photosynthesis process, which is shown in the form of chemical reaction. This is one of the important chemical property of carbon dioxide. Okay, next I'm talking about 5th point. When carbon dioxide reacts with red hot coke, carbon dioxide gas, when passed over red hot carbon, which is called coke, then what is formed? They form carbon monoxide. Now reaction can be balanced by taking here 2. When CO2 gas reacts with red hot coke, and this temperature is about 900 degrees Celsius, at 900 degrees Celsius, then carbon monoxide forms. In the same way, there is another chemical property which is also taken as important chemical property. Let's say this is a test tube. It is filled with carbon dioxide gas. Yes, if 2 to 3 drops of this KOS, potassium hydroxide, is added to a test tube filled with carbon dioxide gas, and when we close its mouth and quickly invert it and insert it into water like this is water, and if its mouth is closed and quickly invert it into this water, and when we release our thumb, then what is seen? The water level rises in this test tube. Then what is seen when the level of water rises in the test tube? This is because of what? Absorption of carbon dioxide gas, which was previously present in the test tube. Absorption of carbon dioxide gas by KOS, and this can be represented by this chemical reaction. Potassium hydroxide actually reacts with carbon dioxide, and it forms potassium carbonate, which is soluble in this water, and this is the chemical reaction, potassium 2,2. This is one of the chemical property of carbon dioxide gas, and these 6 are very important chemical properties of carbon dioxide gas, which we can write in the examination with this chemical reaction. Okay, this much for today.